Andhra Pradesh tourism is present in every nook and corner of the state. You name the place, and Andhra Pradesh Tourism Development Corporation has their properties. We are developing more and more properties every year. As soon as we are identifying a place from tourist point of view, we are developing that. We are preparing projects, doing works and maintaining it. In every district headquarter also we are trying to develop a hotel where people can come, do some business activity, come, and even from tourist point of view they can come, stay in our hotel. We are developing more and more package tours from various parts of the state. We are trying to create a package tour, specially designed package tour from Bangalore to Puttaparthi and nearby Lepakchi. There are a lot of important places. We are developing that so that the abode of the ashram of Sai Baba can also be access to various people at a very sort of in a more convenient way. So people from Bangalore can land in our buses, come to Puttaparthi, have darshan of Baba, go back, move in the Lepakchi circuit, enjoy the Lepakchi circuit and go back to Bangalore. We are trying to develop circuit for Medak district, for Karimnagar district. Every place we are trying to develop. In addition to that, we are trying to develop ecotourism. Wherever we have some sort of a adventurous or sort of forest area, like we have ecotourism in Horsley Hills, where we got the last year award for the best ecotourism project in the country. We are developing ecotourism in Durgam Cheruvu. We are developing ecotourism in Arku. We are developing ecotourism in Dindi. We are trying to develop ecotourism in near this Vikarabad resort. So wherever there is a possibility, we are trying to develop ecotourism, bringing more and more tourists to Andhra Pradesh, and Andhra Pradesh tourism is trying to develop and trying to serve. We are committed to serve the people at the best. We also have a facility of customized tour in the Andhra Pradesh Tourism Development Corporation. Any person can approach us through email, and we will design a tour plan according to his requirement. Suppose where we have tie-up with even private hotels, private bus operators. So we will work as a one-stop agency for any person who wants to tour in Andhra Pradesh. Even if he doesn't know the place, our people will sort of suggest them these are the places they can visit according to the time available with them, and we take care of them absolutely. We will pick them up from wherever they are coming, and we'll drop them wherever they want, and we will take care of everything on the way, including the accommodation, food, transport, under the banner of customized tour in our state. So overall we are developing sort of a responsible tourism, comfortable tourism to the people. We are also taking care of the Aam Aadmi who are coming to tour our state. In every property which we are developing, we are definitely keeping a dormitory so that the Aam Aadmi is sort of able to access our best of the properties at a very reasonable cost. We are also developing tourism from the point of view of international tourists, where we have beautiful beach resort. We have sort of hill stations in Arku, Horsley Hills, where a lot of international people can come, stay, enjoy, and we have a lot of nature places where we are developing tourism, where people can come, study, do bird watching, do rock watching, and sort of spend time in Andhra Pradesh. And I'm sure I welcome everybody to visit Andhra Pradesh, and I'm sure once they visit Andhra Pradesh tourism will take care of them everything, and I'm sure they will have a beautiful memory when they go back touring the Andhra Pradesh. Thank you very much.